Hi friends, very good morning. Welcome to Anu Academy. Very good morning friends. So let us start today's class. So today's subject which we are going to learn in today's class is manufacturing process. Okay friends, right friends? So let us start today's class. In our class today's subject is manufacturing process. Okay, so if you are having any doubts regarding your preparation, please post in the comments box. I will give you a reply. Right friends, so let us start today's class, manufacturing process. Okay, so in today's class we will come to learn what are the terminologies involved in this subject and how we can learn this subject in easy way, so as considering subject point of view as well as examination point of view. Right friends, so we will start now. Manufacturing process. Today's subject is manufacturing process. Break-even analysis classifies the various costs as fixed cost and variable cost. For a typical manufacturing operation, the variable cost may include part material cost. For a typical manufacturing operation, the fixed cost may include the tooling cost. Strength of a material can be defined as the resistance offered on application of external force. Brinell hardness test uses an indenter, that is a sphere made of steel or tungsten carbide. Vickers hardness test uses an indenter, that is a square base pyramid diamond. Ductility of a material can be defined as the ratio of elongation of the material at fracture during the tensile test to the original length. Pig iron is iron with 4% carbon. In a face-centered cube FCCC cell, atoms are present at all 8 corners of the cube and at the center of each face. Fine grain size during the solidification of a metal is achieved by higher nucleation rate with lower growth rate. Maximum carbon content in steels is up to 2%. Austenite is the FCC form of iron. Ferrite is the pure iron with very low carbon. Grey cast iron is iron where part of the carbon is in graphite form. Ductile iron is graphite present in spherical form. Chromium as an alloying element in alloy steels is used principally to improve the corrosion and oxidation resistance. Tungsten as an alloying element in alloy steels is used principally to improve mechanical properties at elevated temperatures. Right friends? Now we will continue manufacturing process. Here aluminium alloys are generally used for their excellent corrosion resistance. Martensite is body center tetragonal form of iron. Tempering process is used in steels to achieve lower hardness by transforming martensite to perlite. Normalizing process is used in steels to achieve improved mechanical properties by transforming austenite to fine grained perlite. Nitriding process is used to increase surface hardness for alloy steels. Sand casting is preferred mainly because molten material flows into any small section in the mold cavity, and as such any intricate shapes, internal or external, can be obtained. The upper molding flask used in sand casting is called cope. Solid shrinkage in a metal during the solidification is reduction in volume when solid metal temperature is reduced from solidus to room temperature. Shrinkage allowance is added to pattern dimensions to take care of solid shrinkage. In sand casting, draft allowance is added to only to the dimensions that are perpendicular to the parting plane The following pattern allowance can be specified quantitatively is shake allowance. Main disadvantage of aluminium as a pattern material for making the master pattern is high cost. Grey cast iron is used as pattern material for making the master pattern because of low cost. The main disadvantage of wood when used as pattern material for sand casting is distortion due to moisture absorption. Okay friends, now we will continue. Brass is used as pattern material for making the master pattern because of high corrosion resistance. Permeability of a molding sand is increased with coarse grain size, decreasing the clay content. Refractoriness of molding sand is increased with coarse grain size. To improve the surface finish of sand casting, facing sand is applied to the mold cavity. Problem with the green sand molds is erosion of the mold takes place. Problem with the screen dried sand molds is hard to break. It is hard to break. In a squeeze molding machine, the sand in the molding flask is compacted by a plate that rams the sand thoroughly. In a sand slinging molding machine, the sand in the molding flask is compacted by throwing sand into the flask with high force. The binder that is more commonly used in coarse sands is linseed oil. A chaplet is used in a sand mold to support the core during the molten metal pouring. Okay, so that's all friends for today's class. I think today's class our subject manufacturing process will be, this material will be definitely helpful for your exam preparation. Okay, so as we know, exam date has been announced by the commission. Okay, so proceed with your preparation. Okay, so I think daily we are posting classes. Our classes will be very helpful for your preparation. If you are already prepared, if you are ready for your exam, so think our classes will be helpful for your revision. Okay, so each and every class I am saying the same thing friends. Give equal importance for both the papers. Negative mark is there, so keep this point in your mind while preparing as well as writing your exam also. Okay, so that's all friends for our today's class. Please subscribe our channel, please like and share our channel, please discuss with your friends the class work going on in our channel. Okay, we need your support. Okay, so thank you very much friends for watching.